Hey everyone, my name is Andrew Bettis. I'm with Rancilio, and today we're going to look at our newest espresso machine offering, the RS1. So the RS1 is actually the flagship model of our new brand, Rancilio Specialty. And this is brand new for Rancilio. We released this last year. And this video will cover some of the overview features of this machine. So one of the first things that you'll notice about this machine is that we have a totally stainless steel build for the machine. So we have pretty thick stainless steel side panels. All these side panels are fully customizable. And a few of the other components that you'll notice too about the machine is each group has its own shot clock and temperature display. And we also have volumetric buttons within reach for the barista. So a lot of the components that we wanted to incorporate here with the machine were to ease workflow and make it easier for a barista to make a lot of espresso or make a lot of coffee-based drinks during a rush. So a lot of these components for the machine were really designed to ease the barista's workflow. So if you look at each group head here, you can see where you'll have the shot clock, you'll have your temperature on display here. You have all the components that you need really for that group to understand where how you're brewing coffee there for that group. So here in the touchscreen interface, you have a lot of tools that are helpful for dialing in coffee, for making sure your volumetric yields are accurate, and also controlling the steam pressure. So one of the elements of the RS1 that really makes it unique is the ability to have a few different steam pressures for each side. So that's controlled in the software here. So I can go in the software with just one touch of the button and control not only the setting 1 and 2 power, but also if I want to incorporate a purge or not. So right now I have it a pretty basic setup. I have setting 1 at 50%, and that would be for a smaller milk-based drink, like a 3 or 4 ounce drink. And then setting 2 I've got at 100%, and that would be for a larger milk-based drink. So also in the software, you're able to adjust the temperature profile of each group. So the RS1 has capabilities to not just brew at a single temperature, but at 2 different points of temperature. You can start at one and end at another. So that's what temperature profiling is. On the first group, I have 95.5 to 93.5. I can set those to any parameters. The temperature profiling can profile down a max of 5 degrees Celsius, so as long as you're within that range. And you can also brew at a single value at a flat profile, so in this middle group I have 93.5. And you can set all the groups independently, or you can set all the groups to the same. I'm going to sync this middle group up. So you can see all that the group heads are synced up right now. They're all doing the same volumetric yield and the same temperature here. You can also see the last 30 parameters for each group here. So the RS1 has parameter tracking software, so you can see what's going on for the last 30 extractions. You can also see a more detailed layout of the extractions. Here you can see the variance based on the set time of the espresso extraction. So that's the overview of components for the RS1. If you're more interested, or if you want to see more about the technology, check out ranciliospecialty.com and stay tuned for more videos.